Here's the place I talked about. I've just parked the car and I'm just walking toward where I normally go here. It's nice and sunny, and that is my little dog. So he loves down here. So I want to know, where do you feel like to go when you feel not so energetic or like kind of balanced, or if you feel like you just, you're not yourself, because we all get that moment. So I'm a happiest person. I'm always happy, and even if I'm not happy, I try to keep myself happy, because that's the only way. Because by thinking negative and going to the negative zone, you're not gonna actually feeling better. You're gonna feel worse and worse and worse. Just look at this place. Beautiful. This place is massive. It's really big, and then this part is only a small part of this place. It's a lot of places in this place that I have not discovered. I can say I probably in these 3 years I was managed to discover the right side of this field and like forest. So you tell me, where is the place that you get connected? Like I said, I was just trying to say in this, some people get connected by going to the sea, to the beach, to the like water. I am water sign myself, but it's funny because I love being in water, but where give me most and beautiful feeling is to go to nature, to go to forest. And yeah, I get connected to this place so much. Not only this place, anywhere green. Actually, I've been to Wales, North Wales, just about 3 weeks ago. Guys, oh my God, I felt like I left a part of me in there, because believe me or not, it's so beautiful. I don't know if you're from England, from around here. If you are, I would definitely recommend to go to Wales. I have some videos. I probably trying to upload those videos so you can have a look at Wales as well. So here guys, here I am. I'm gonna sit here. I want to make the content, and so stay with me. You're gonna see more about this place, and you're gonna learn a lot about the spirituality, about how to heal yourself, what to do when you are feeling low. This place always make my feel a lot better and better. Especially you can't find anybody in here. It's so peaceful. It's a big massive place that then where you come here, you can actually, you get lost in here. Not lost, but I mean like no one can find you, or you can't see other people. It's just because it's really big. Just have a look around.